In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to run the Reclass tool. Within the geoprocessing pane, scroll down to find the Spatial Analyst tools, and in here, at the bottom here, you will find the Reclass tool set. And I'll click on the Reclassify tool. Here, I will insert the mask. Let's do the 2004, and you can see that all the pixel values are listed here. In Canvas, I have given you a reference table. So here's the reference table that I have given you on Canvas that tells you what the original pixel values are. So these are the original pixel value and what these new pixel values will be. So this is what you're going to type it in. We are not going to accept this default option. So for 2004 layer, we will use the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scheme. And for 2024 layer, we are going to use the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 scheme. Remember, these are all nominal values. That means we are assigning a name in form of a digit to each of the pixel. And we're using these two type of scheme because we want to later compare these two pixel and create a change map so we can identify what was the 2004 value and what is the new 2024 value. So now that we know 11 is going to be 1 in 2004, I'm going to leave this as 1. 21 is going to be 2, so I'll leave this as 2. 22 is going to be 2, so I'm going to type in 2 in my keyboard, and then the next one 2, 24 also 2, 31 is going to be 3, and the only value that's going to be 3. 41 through 71 is going to be 4, so keep on typing, and in this way you typed in all the values. For 95, you will see again it's going to be 1 because I'm creating a single class for water body and wetlands. I will type in 1 on the keyboard, and then I'm not going to use my mouse. Instead, I'm going to hit the tab key on my keyboard to go to the next item. So like the next cell or the classify button, unique button, and all these tiny little buttons until I reach this rename, output raster rename option, and I'm going to name it as Reclass LULC 2004. The reason I did it is because this is kind of a glitch in this ArcGIS Pro, that if you directly click on the output raster, this whatever the last value that you changed to kind of reverts back to whatever the original value was. So let's say it was 15, right? And if I type in 1 and click directly on the output raster, it goes back to 15. And I don't know why the glitch is. I'm hoping in next version this glitch will be taken care of. But the temporary workaround is type in 1 and just hit the tab to go to the output raster. And once you click here, then it doesn't go back. So once you rename it, make sure you've got the right new pixel values before you hit the run. So once this is done, you have changed the name to 2004, click run. Once the 2004 is done, click on the Reclassify again and add the 2024. And this time, instead of 1, I will type in 10 and so on and so forth. Look at the table on Canvas. Don't follow just the video. And then change all the values in the table. Again, for the last value, make sure you change the value to 10 and then hit the tab key on the keyboard and then rename this as LULC 2024 to change. Make sure all the values are correct here and then click run.